Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 4A Colemansmoor Lane. I'm just standing at the beginning of the drive which takes you to the bungalow itself. So it's a one-bed detached bungalow. You can just see the bungalow just at the top of the drive there on the left hand side. Before I take you up to the bungalow itself, I'm just going to spin round just to give you an idea of the location where we are. This is the junction of Colemansmoor Road and Colemansmoor Lane on the right. So we're just sort of tucked in here, and if I just walk a little bit up this lane just to give you an idea of what's here, there's the neighbour's car on the left hand side. Just a little bit further on there you can see the bungalow at the top there. So let's now take you inside and show you around. Before I take you inside the property, I just wanted to show you the outside here, the frontage. As you can see, we've got block paving at the front here, and also parking. So you can see we've got a parking space here in front of the property, and if I move along the side you can see the white van there, and that's an additional parking. So we've got parking comfortably for 2 vehicles, and also a low maintenance frontage. Let's now take you inside. So let's take you through the front door into the entrance hall. So I'll just step back here, turn around and just give you an idea of the entrance hall. There's the door we've just come through. So the layout is such that we've got the door to the bedroom in front. This door here is the bathroom. We have the large walk-in cupboard store just there, and door to the lounge and kitchen there. You can probably see the radiator there. So it's actually gas central heating. So let's first of all focus on the lounge area here. As you can see, plenty of room for furniture. Got a window at the front there, and then to the right we have French doors onto the little block paved patio area. Radiator under the window, as you can probably see in the distance there. And then spinning round here we have the kitchen, and again nice size, lots of kitchen units, good worktop space as well. So what we have here is a built-in oven with 4-ringed gas hob. We also have just here a dishwasher integrated, the sink unit as you can see with the window, and in this cupboard here we've got an integrated integrated fridge freezer, and then this one below me just here, I'll just open it slightly, we've got a built-in washing machine. Eye level units in the corner to my left and also over there as well, and then a little island unit just there. Nice flooring and tiled splashbacks. And then just point out, I'm going to point the camera up slightly because we've got downlighters in the ceiling as well. So really nice open plan kitchen lounge. Okay, so let's now take you back into the hallway. I'm going to show you this storage cupboard here. I don't normally show storage cupboards, but this is a particularly big one because it's a walk-in cupboard, and also you can see the gas-fired boiler on the wall there. And we've even got a little work surface with space for, I think that's a tumble dryer. And then moving along, first door here is the bathroom. Light comes on when the door opens. It's got a sensor on it. As you can see, we've got a bath with a sort of P-shaped bath really, with a shower end and a glass shower screen. There's the shower, nicely tiled as well. There's the low level WC and the wash basin, and then we have a mirror on the wall just there. And as you can see under the towel there, we've got a heated towel rail. Nice modern bathroom. And then to finish, in here we have the bedroom. As you can see, we've got they're freestanding wardrobes along there, but I'm told that these wardrobes can be included. There's a front aspect window just there. You can see the radiator underneath. And then we've got a double bed in situ, as you can see. So that's the bungalow. What I'm now going to do is just take you around the back just to show you the little courtyard, a low maintenance garden. So we go between the bungalow itself and the shed here, and this takes you into this little courtyard garden, and we've got astroturf lawn there. It's all fenced in. You can see a patio area there, and then spinning around just behind the shed, another little area here, good for storage. This is actually pretty much south facing, so I would imagine this is quite a sunny little sun trap here. Sunny garden to enjoy. Got an outside water tap on the left hand side, just here. So all in all, a very nice one bed detached bungalow. So if you think it might be of interest, then do give us a call. My name's Gary. I'm sure I'll be able to answer any questions you may have. And it's the same number to book a viewing appointment. Thanks for watching.